Guys, I don't know how long I'll stand here, but I will try to stand for a little while. I want to show you what I got here. Okay, here's my diaper babies and my little diaper cake. Anybody can make these. They're really, really, really easy. It didn't take me long at all. Now, when I saw these, there's a couple of different videos where they actually did it like a 3-tier cake, and one of them was sitting on top of it, you know, kind of sideways. And I'm like, no, because I had the twins, so I wanted to do a boy and a girl. And you can unwrap these diapers and reuse them or whatever. So I'm going to tell you how to do this. Okay, for the diaper babies, the YouTube channel that I went and saw was Sobell DIY. So SOBELLE DIY. And her channel, she does a bunch of this kind of stuff. So you need, I didn't use the receiving blanket, but some diapers you're going to need for these guys. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll have to add it up at the end. You need a binky, a hat, some clothes, socks, pair of socks, and some rubber bands. And if you want to set them, whatever you want to set them on, okay? So the legs, you're going to do 4. You're going to roll up a diaper, 4 diapers, 1, 3, 4. For the legs, I did 2 each, rolled them up. So you roll 1 and then roll another diaper around that. So the one you rolled, you put inside another diaper and roll that and put that in. So it makes the legs look a little bit bigger. So there's 4 for the legs, and then 2 for the arms. So I wanted them smaller. So there's 4, 5, 6. So 6 for the limbs. Okay. And then the head, you're going to roll 1 diaper, and then you're going to rubber band it, and then you're going to put that inside another one, and you're going to roll it. You're going to put, I think there's 8 diapers here. I'm not sure. 6 or 8, I think. So it's the right size for the hat. Whatever hat that you use. Like this one is kind of, I probably should have put like some paper in it so it kind of stands up. So I think she used 8. And then the body rolls, you need 2, 1 for the butt and 1 for the chest. This one, the bum's going to be bigger than this one. So there's 6 of them for the top and 9 for the bottom. And I think I may have done 6, maybe 7. 6 or 7. And you roll them the same way you do the head. Exact same thing. Start with 1 and put an elastic around it, and then just keep rolling after that. And then when you're done, all done, you put everything inside the body, and then you're gonna put the arms in, but before you put the arms in, you're gonna put the socks over them so it looks like they have middies on. So this one, I'll show you. Looks like it has mittens. So you just use a pair of socks. And then you kind of stage it how you want. And I can't get the pacifier to stay in, so you kind of have to fandangle it a little bit because it doesn't want to, for me, it doesn't want to stay. But if I mess around with it more, it would. Then you put the pacifier in where about the mouth would be. Then you put the hat on. And it's the same for the girly one. So those are really cute. And if you search it on the YouTube, you can find several people that make these. But I like her version. And it was pretty quick. I think I did this, maybe an hour, if that, because I was taking my time. And then I think it takes like 1 pound. I use size 1 diapers. Most of these people use size 1 diapers for this. Now the diaper cake, the lady that I watched was Sillywchely on YouTube. And, oh, that's the blanket bassinet. That one was way cute, so check that one out too. But the diaper cake, you just, the bottom layer is gonna start out with 6. Well, what you're gonna do is you need, I didn't make the instruction good enough for this one, but you need a paper towel roll. That's what's right. Well, because I only use 1 tier, I use the toilet paper roll. And you glue it to your base, whatever I just took some cardstock and did that, and I just made this little thing. And I didn't hook anything to here so I can reuse it. But I just did just regular board. You can go buy the cake bottoms or whatever. So I just glued the TP holder to the middle of this, and then the first round right here starts out with 6, okay, and then the next round I think is 12, and then this round I think mine is 14, something like that. But you can put something in here to stand up. You can do all kinds of stuff to make it really pretty and cute. I just wrapped it with this ribbon and put this little cute little bow on there. And I thought this would be cute when I do another baby opening or whatever. And size 1 diapers, you need a ton of elastics. So you're gonna roll the diaper up, put an elastic around it, and just kind of put it around the toilet roll. And then after you're done, if you have a bigger elastic, you can put it around it so it stays in place, or you can tie it with a ribbon, you know, a curling ribbon or whatever. You can do that. I used a big elastic, so that way the next round, you do the same thing. You wrap them up, put an elastic. Once you got it secured, you take the little elastics off. And then you keep doing that. Make sure they're lined up right and even. And then the last one is the same thing. You take the elastics off after. So, and I just put, yeah, there's an elastic around the whole thing. I think these first ones I tied a pink ribbon and a yellow ribbon, and then this last one just has the elastic. I just fit the elastic around. So that'll hold it all in place. So, and if you do the tier one, so that's the bottom one. They have 6, 12, and 19, and I did 6, 12, and 14. So it's not as big. And then the next one would be 6 and 12, and then just 6 and 1. So that's the 3 tier. And it's about 62 diapers. So if you buy a big box of diapers, size 1, you can make one of these. And if you buy 2 boxes, you'll have diapers left over, and you can make the babies and do a baby shower or whatever. I don't know. It would be fun anyways. So that's how I did my little baby shower cake. And I just had, you can pick these little party things up at Dollar Tree. You can either put it in there like that, which is what I think I did, but they came out. And then I had some cute little baby cards on the back of here. So that's way cute. And I just glued, these blocks are from there, and I just did pink and blue because I did twins. So if you know if it's a boy, just use the boy ones, or the pink for girl or whatever. It'd be way cute for either or. And you can change this ribbon if you want to do a pink for just girl or blue for just boy. This one says he or she. What will it be? That's what this says. And this is yellow, and it has little yellow duckies on it. So there's my 2 things I did for the little baby shower I did. So in case you want to do it yourself, it'll be fun. It was a lot of fun to make these, and I didn't video me doing it, so, but they're a lot of fun. You can check out those other, and if I can find the lady that does the cake, I'll link them down below. But say you want to do a 2 tier, then you could do a two-tier, just a two-tier one. But it's cute. Say your your daughter or son, or you know somebody that's having a baby shower, and you want to get them a gift. This would be really good. There's diapers, and then you can add. Some people put, like the three-tiered ones, they'll put some lotion and hook all of that to it or whatever. And if you wanted to, for a two-tiered one, you could do it for this one too. You can get a balloon, helium one. My store was out of helium, but I bought the balloon and just filled it up with air. And it's gonna stay filled up for quite a while. It just won't float. But you can put that in, find a way to like put this inside something and put it on top of the cake or something, you know. Just a little idea there. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you all again soon. Bye now.